Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, let's see about else if statement in C. The syntax for the else if statement will be starting with a if keyword with the condition 1 and then its own if block. Following it, the next is the else if with the condition 2 and then its own else if block. Finally, the else keyword with the else block. Let us see this with an example program. In the VS Code, let me create a C program named if underscore elsif.c. I am including the header file stdio.h as we are going to use the printf statement. Next, I am creating the main function of the program. Inside the main function, I am declaring the integer variable n with the value 5. Next, I am creating the if statement with the condition n is lesser than 10. And inside the if block, I am adding a printf statement which will print the number is lesser than 10. Next, I am adding the else if block with the condition n equal to 10. Within the else if block, I am adding a printf statement which will display the number is equals 10. Finally, I am adding the else block with the printf that will display the number is greater than 10. So this is the structure of the if, else if and else block. Here, if the condition n is less than 10, then the if block get executed and else if and else block will get ignored. But if n is not less than 10, it will check the next condition n equal to 10. If that's true, the else if block get displayed and the else part will be ignored. And if both the conditions are failed, finally the else part will get executed. Let's save the program, and to compile it, in the VS Code terminal window, type gcc space if underscore elsif.c and then press enter. And to run the program, in the same terminal window, type /a.exe. From the output, we can see the if block get executed because the 5 is less than 10 is true. Also, the else if and else block got ignored. Now, let me change the value of n from 5 to 10. Let's save the program and recompile it. From the output, we can see the printf from the else if block got displayed. Because 10 is less than 10 is false, but 10 equal to 10 is true. So else if block got displayed. Else part also got ignored. Now let's change the value of n from 10 to 15. Let's save the program and recompile it. From the output, we can see the printf from the else part got displayed because 15 is less than 10 is false. Also 15 equal to 10 is also false. So else part only displayed. So this is how if, else if and else works in a C program. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also please subscribe if you are new to this channel.